Sometimes you need to rank your data in either ascending or descending order. Excel has a rank function which is very simple to use and helps you do exactly that. Let's take a look. Let's rank this data that we have first in ascending order and then in descending order. As I write the rank function, there are several functions that come up. The first three are important for us. If you see the third function rank, it has an exclamation mark. This means this has been replaced by some other function. And the functions that have replaced this function are rank.avg and rank.eq. While the structure is exactly the same, these two functions bring in a lot more clarity in the way you write the formulas. AVG stands for average and EQ stands for equal. Let's understand them one by one. We will start with rank.avg first. The first parameter is the number whose rank you want to calculate. We can select B2 here. Ref is the range or list of numbers from which you want to calculate the rank. We can select B2 to B11 and fix the reference. We'll select 1 for ascending order. And it tells us that 18,200 has the 5th rank. Let's copy this formula to the other cells. And before we proceed, I'll change the formatting slightly. $14,000 is the smallest value, so it gets the rank as 1. The rank 2 for 17,100 and rank 3 for 17,700. As we go along, we see we do not have a rank 7 and 8. But we have two items that rank as 7.5. This rank 7.5 is against a common value of 27,500. As I had mentioned, the AVG stands for average. If the values for both these items were different, their ranks would have been 7 and 8. But since they are the same, 27,500, Excel displays the average rank as 7.5. Now in the next column, let's see what happens when we write formula using rank.EQ. Except the formula name, everything else will be the same. Rank.EQ. Number is B2. Reference is B2 to B11. And ascending. Let's format this as well. The first 6 ranks are as it is. Instead of 2 ranks of 7.5, it shows the rank as 7 for both instances of 27,500. And there is no 8. The next rank is 9, which makes sense as this will be the 9th item on the list. So instead of calculating the average, it shows the lower rank for both the values. So that's the difference between rank.avg and rank.eq. You can use either functions based on how you want to display the ranks. Now in both the examples, we had sorted our data in ascending order. If we change the last parameter to 0, we'll be able to rank our data in descending order. Let's see how. I'll clear all the formulas except the first row. I'm going to change the last parameter to 0 because 0 stands for descending. And copy the formula. As you can see, the highest value is now ranked 1. Even with descending, the behavior is the same. Rank.avg shows 3.5 for 27,500, which is the average of 3 and 4. And rank.eq shows 3 for both, which is the lower of the two rank. So that's how you use the rank function. I hope this video was useful for you. I'll see you soon in the next video.